Hey yo, what's going on, dude?
No,
dude.
You got socks on, bro.
I don't know, man. Gay. Yo, say what's up, guys. Yeah.
Hey.
All right.
Behind the scenes. I can't do that. Alright, so we're finally here. It's like, what time is it? It's like 10:30. It's literally 10:30 and we're about to start the build. It's late at night, so we gotta talk kind of quietly. I'm really excited. These guys are really freaking awesome. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't have, been able to do this, so yeah. But yeah, anyways, let's start.
Before we start the building process, we gotta show you how we got my graphics card out of my old PC and into the new one. So yeah, enjoy the video.
Yo! No way! Ew! Damn. Rip PC, bro. Oh my god. All right.
It's a good thing we have an air canister.
Yes, sir. Let's get started. This is the before. All right, here we go, guys.
She did.
She did.
No, wait,
Hey. Oh. All right, bro. That GPU does look sexy though.
It does. It looks nice.
Hopefully it still works. All right, ready? Oh, I got a spot. I'm not kidding.
Boy, if you don't get
I'm kidding. All right.
Drop. Dude, I hate fucking spiders.
Yeah, bro.
Alright.
Alright, so what Frank's doing is we're taking out the graphics card so that we can put the old graphics card in. This is the one that's going to be going into my new PC. And yeah, time lapse.
Go stupid. I think we got it.
Yes, sir.
I think we got it over here.
Yeah. Oh, I just came.
This cable management though.
I know the cable man is terrible. It's my first PC ever going. Moment in history.
Dude, I can't even get it out.
What, you need to clip it?
Yeah, I gotta unclip it.
Got it.
Oh, it's such a weird clip. What the fuck?
That's what she said.
Alright, so this is the Founders Edition 970, and this is what's going to be going into new PC. Alright, put it on. Spray that bitch. Oh my god.
Could I get more light at the
Damn, it's inside of there, bro. It's
We're
inside.
gonna want to open it. We're gonna open it.
That's what she said. That's what she said. That's what she said.
So guys, this is my old CPU cooler. Look how dried it is, bro. Oh my god. No wonder why the processor couldn't think. Hey yo, what's going on, dude?
No,
Dude.
You got socks on, bro.
I don't know, man.
Gay.
Alright guys, say hi, Frank. Actually, okay, guys, so Frank just took off the back plate of the 970, and this is the architecture inside. Look at it, it's so beautiful, so sexy. Sexier than women, but Virgin Gang, Virgin Gang. But yeah, we're just taking out all the dust and fixing it, and then we're gonna, yeah. Let's go. Oh my goodness, that's disgusting.
God.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Alright, so we got the GPU torn apart already. He just cleaned the processor that's in the GPU, and now we're gonna clean this part, and then we're gonna put it back together.
One hell of a ride.
Yo, gang.
There we go.
Yeah. Air Masters.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Like just go like kind of from right to left. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, that was a little montage. Now we're gonna do this. We're gonna open the case and let's get to it. Alright, let's get the knife.
Safety first, kids. Hi.
Safety first, kids. No.
Yo.
I'm crazy, bro.
Dude, there was this guy I used to know.
I fucked up the flow. Yeah. I can't get my fat fingers in there, bro.
And I, oh!
This is that once in a lifetime.
Alright guys, now we're putting in the power supply because this is the heaviest part and the hardest part to put in, so yeah, let's start.
Sorry to interrupt, but you guys are gonna have to wait for part 2 if you want to watch the final build. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Like the video, subscribe, and peace out. Bye!